pass through. They may also be called non-absorbent materials. So, I have here an example of a non-porous material. So, here, wala siya kanang small hole. So, dili siya ma-absorb ang water. Kaya dito na siya sa small hole mo, muagi ang
tubig.
water or ang air. Okay.
Pag sure
So
man.
there are different materials in our environment that can be classified based on their ability to absorb water more than the others. So cotton is very porous. Okay, what do you think so that cotton is an example of porous? So this cotton. Yes, because it has a small hole that the water or the liquid pass through. So plastic also is an example of non-porous or non-absorbent materials. Okay, now let's move on to our second activity. I will give you the materials. Can you read the materials?
Cup of water. Paper, plastic, cotton.
So for the group 1, these are your materials.